Now that you have your integration set up, let's go ahead and get your business profile set up. So from here, you want to go down to Settings, and the very first one that comes up is Business Profile Settings. Here is where you can upload your logo, and this gets used on lots of different areas within GoHighLevel. So make sure that you upload that. They do tell you the right sizes when it's for images, and you may need to resize your logo in some sort of a program like Photoshop or Canva or something like that, so that you upload the proper size. Otherwise, it will just get cropped. Go ahead and fill out all of these fields here. They're all self-explanatory. And just scroll down. Here is your API key. If you ever need that for some other sort of an integration with Zapier or something like that, you'll need this API key. So just go ahead and get this all filled out, and then we will, in our next video, look at filling out your personal profile.